Y'all, I don't got no makeup on. Look how red my face is. That's from my autoimmune disease. Can't help you, y'all. It'll be all right. I haven't done my eyebrows or anything either. That'll be all right too. So, y'all, we are going to go to the Dollar Tree, and then we're going to go run over to Walmart because I need some flip-flops. And then we're going to get those new Dunkin' drinks, and we're going to show you all of them. It's going to be a real big surprise, y'all. So, y'all ready? Ready to go say hello, Booga? All right, y'all. We're on our way with my red face. Hope y'all are having a great Monday. Y'all, I still have not got my tail light on my car fixed. And I still have not got my back brakes done yet. But I'm going to. The end of this month, I'm going to get all that done. It's going to get taken care of. No worries. All right, y'all, here we go. Again, with my red face. Away we go. Where's our car at?
Oh, James got it.
My brakes. My portable brakes. Why is this door closed?
She's probably asleep.
Why are you being so quiet, Booga?
I don't know.
I have got to lose weight. Like I said, at least 20 pounds. Why are they flashing their lights at me? Must be a cop hiding somewhere.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yep. Don't y'all love it when cops are hiding trying to give you a ticket? Y'all wouldn't know what we're going to do one weekend. We're going to go up to Gatlinburg. We haven't been there in so long. We live, what? How far away we live from Gatlinburg?
A few hours.
A couple hours? That's going to be so much fun, y'all. And of course, we have to take you with us. We haven't been there in so long. I bet so much has changed. I'll have all the time to do it, y'all. I have to go back out on disability. Well, we arrived. We landed. We made it safely. Oh, when I go to my primary, I got to get my permanent handicap placard. You know that?
Yeah.
Well, we're here, y'all. We're going to see what it's like, how good it is. We went to this one months ago, and we didn't really like it, so we're giving it another shot. Here we go, at the Dollar Tree. Those are really cute, those little sunflower steaks. See them?
Yeah.
Those are only $1.25, y'all. She's always got to look at the pots. They got some little sandals right here. They don't feel very comfortable, but they're only $1.25.
They're not very comfortable.
What, these?
Yeah. I don't know about those.
Let's try them on. My dog got a hold of my flip-flops. Oh, they feel all right. I might get me a pair. They got these little things to sit in your yard. Those are cute.
Use these for propagation. These little things. Or these.
I don't like the plastic stuff like that. Party favors. Ooh, I'm surprised she didn't even look at these eyelashes.
No, they don't look that good. Look at this birthday bag.
They've always got the cutest little bows. Yeah, Bean and Terry's birthdays are coming up.
Could get him a birthday bag.
We don't have to get it today.
Look, that says hard yoga. Perfect for Terry.
I like that one. That's cute. Make a wish. King of the Grill. Here we are, y'all. The food aisle. Cheetos and mac and cheese. Did you get that one, Booger? You got that one?
No, I got the normal mac and cheese.
You should have gotten one of those. Bold and cheesy or 4 cheesy. Do they have yellow rice here? Can't believe they got these nice face masks. I got that mimosa fizz right there. No, wait. I got the fruit enzyme, I think. I can't even remember now. Ooh. Watermelon and heart. That's a face mask. We found the eyelashes. Eyelashes. They got any more like that?
Yeah, right here. That's the last one, I think.
Those are kind of cute. Halflings.
These are cute. They're a little. They're like for a kid.
These are supposed to make you have like the cat eye look. Ooh, they glitter.
It's got gemstones on it.
Yeah. You don't look at fingernail polish anymore, Booga? Here we are, y'all. The food aisle. Cheetos and mac and cheese. Did you get that one, Booga? You got that one?
No, I got the normal mac and cheese.
You should have gotten one of those. Bold and cheesy or 4 cheesy. Do they have yellow rice here? Y'all, Oh, here's those cute little socks they started carrying. Those are adorable. I wonder if I should go ahead and get some for them for their birthday bag. Because they're probably going to get sold out, aren't they?
Yeah. Well, I can't see
Oh, my face is really red now, y'all. It's hot. Anyway, we are back from the Dollar Tree. I got some groceries, which I didn't need to because I got groceries yesterday. But I forgot to eat all day, y'all. So I got some Lunchable thing right here. And I got this Fanta strawberry that she's going to help me drink. Oh, you want to sip? Y'all, we're gonna find out if the Dollar Tree Lunchables is any good. Well, first of all, the cheese is kind of stuck together. Okay, here we go. No, I'm so sorry, my face is so red. No, these are only $1.25. And how much are they at Walmart? 3 something?
3, about 4 or 3 or something.
And these taste just as good for $1.25. That man is sitting over there. I don't like being oddballed when I eat, y'all. I'm moving. That guy's getting on my nerves. Y'all, why do people have to be weird? Like, wow. All right, you guys, we are back. So I'm going to show you what I got at the dollar store first. I needed new mitts, so I got this right here. Home is where someone runs and greets you with the little paw prints on it. And then I got the 2 pot holders. Then I got 2 packs of napkins. I just want to try these out and see if they're as good as the Vanity Fair Super Absorbent I always get. So those came from the dollar store. These eyelashes came from the dollar store. They're a really good brand. The Iconic. They're really good. So that came from the dollar store. My dish rags, these 2, came from the dollar store. My daughter ate hers of this already. She said it was okay. That's from the dollar store. These 3 face masks. Fruit Enzyme, Mimosa Fizz, and Hydrating Collagen Face Mask. Watermelon. They're all from the dollar store. These 2 cans of tuna. The bottle of ketchup. All 3 of these packs of ramen. And the 2 packs of sardines and the mustard sauce. My peel box that I need, because I have got to start taking my peels properly. This pot for propagating or planting my monstera cutting my daughter got me. All of this came from the dollar store, y'all. Okay. This is mandu pork and vegetable dumplings. We have some Arby's crinkle fries. Some Tyson honey breast tenders. And taquitos for my son. And that freezer bag where you keep hot or cold. And boy, let me tell you, those bags are good. Those are some good bags right there.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.